What's going on, Redline people? We have a lot to get updated on. I got some good news and some bad news from what happened this weekend, and some good news and updates as far as what's been going on. So let's jump on the bike and let's talk about everything. Let's go ride.
What's up, everybody? So we now have the motorcycle helmet on. Hold on, it's kind of dark. Check this. I locked it. Okay, so we are about to get on bike. But like I said, I have some updates. First bad update. I guess first update is we got in a wreck this past weekend, and I'll show a picture of our car here. And it sucks because we really loved this car, and it's looking like for some reason they might not want to fix it. So that was one of our good, reliable cars. But we're gonna have a final say so on everything once insurance shows up to the body shop and kind of does an estimate on it. So hopefully they end up fixing it. We really like it. We really want to keep using it. Now, if for some reason that it doesn't, they don't end up fixing it, there's a couple different ways it can go. They buy your car from you. Oh snap. They buy your car from you, and then you just get money for your car. I don't think that we'll end up getting the money for our car that we want, which sucks. So we're thinking about possibly buying the car back. So basically what they do is they give you the car and they only give you a little bit of the money, here, you can try and fix it. And that's what we're probably going to end up, trying to do, because we do want to keep the car, whether that's finding another body shop that we can do to fix it, or me possibly fix it. And one of those ways I'm thinking about fixing it is that possibly buying another Ford Focus that we could use for kind of like a parts car, and maybe I could take apart the front end of that one and fix hers. Now when I say buy another one, I don't mean buy a wrecked Ford Focus. I mean not like a good running Ford Focus. What I mean is buying a wrecked one, or something that has a bad transmission or bad motor, because all I really need is the body. And then if I can fix that, then maybe I could sell the Ford for parts, or I could donate to the local fire department, which is what I might end up doing. So we gotta figure out what's going on with that. I'll give y'all more updates on that later. Now, for good updates, I have been working a lot on my drone photography, drone video, drone photography, and regular photography. If you want to see more of my drone stuff, you can go to my Facebook page. On my Facebook page, it's going to be Robert's Production Studio. That's like drone shots, stuff like that. That's also going to be on Instagram, Robert's Production Studio. Now, if you want to see other photography I am, so I'm pursuing doing family portraits or family photography and pet and animal photography, and that's going to be on Robert's Camera Work. So I can probably link all that down below. That's going to be on Instagram and on Facebook. So I'm really chasing after that. I'm super excited, focusing on that a whole bunch. And I still got to post more on it. So if you're in the local area, you know where I'm at. Look those up, and hopefully we can schedule a photo session, whether it's drone through Robert's Production Studio, or family or pet photography through Robert's Camera Work. Now, another good thing is that I think I might have found a mic setup for my GoPro. Now, another thing is being able to adjust my GoPro the way I have it set up. but hopefully y'all can hear me this whole time while I'm riding. That's the ultimate goal, is that y'all are able to hear me, and this is coming out clear. I got a new setup for it. That way, like I said, all the video is like the audio, not the video, the audio is clear. Like this video is probably gonna be dark because I'm recording at nighttime. But I am excited about this. Got the new setup. A lot of things that I'm trying to figure out as far as the setup is the mic. So the way my mic is set up in here, I have to have this like what's it called, aux cable, the 3.35 millimeter or 0.35 millimeter, whatever it is, into the back of the GoPro, and then it's got to go run into my helmet, which goes to a mic that has to adapt into it, because for some reason it only came with an Apple adapter. So I had to adapt that. So a big thing is checking the audio quality while I'm riding. Basically, like the speed I'm going, whether it takes like the wind pretty good, if you can hear me okay. Like the video and audio, it'll all come together. Right now it's dark while I'm riding, but hopefully the audio is coming through pretty well. I really hope so. And then, so that setup right now, checking that. Another thing, besides like the wind, the riding, I want you to be able to hear me talking, but still be able to hear the motorcycle kind of get up and go, you know what I mean? Is that the mic placement in the helmet. So if y'all can hear me fine, like I gotta find a good mic placement in the helmet, so it's not like you hear me breathing and to where it's still clear, and like it all works out okay. Now none of this is going to be like cut and edited very much. This is all test. So if you're new to the channel, I really appreciate you tuning in, checking out my channel. This is a new mic setup for my GoPro test, and I would like y'all's input on it, what you think. If you're new to the channel, remember, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. It helps me, helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe so you get updates, and the bell icon as well, so you see whenever my videos come out. So checking the audio on the helmet, I really hope it's working out well. We're pulling up to the gym. I will start the camera, and not the camera. I will start the video again once we get out of the gym. But we need to get in. We got some back and bicep and maybe some tricep to do today. But let's bark. I really hope this audio comes out pretty clear. I hope it does. Oh no, just park it right here. Just park it right here. Oh. Alrighty, y'all, we are done with the gym. We're about to go back home so we can edit some photos, videos, and get this video up for y'all tonight. Now, let's get out of here. Get out of these people's way. Let's get home. Am I plugged in? Aux cord all plugged in. Bet. Alright, yep. So we're on our way home. So I listened to a little bit of the audio quality in my workout sesh. I think it sounds pretty good. You can hear a little bit of my breathing, but I think it works out a lot better than the way it was set up before. And you can hear me while I'm riding at a certain speed. Now, one of the other things I need to figure out is I really don't like how far the GoPro is sticking out here. And this mount kind of worries me. I don't want my GoPro to go flying off now that I have to have it sticking out further for the aux cord. That, or I could find one of those angled aux cords. I don't know. I'll look into it more. And I realized I also forgot to say earlier, so on that wreck, that way it happened is we were traveling in a left-hand lane, so it was a two-lane road. We were in the left lane, the truck was in the right lane, and he proceeded to try and do a left-hand U-turn from the right-hand lane, and our vehicle happened to be right there. Like, pretty much, like, if you're looking at this vehicle, our vehicle was like here, and then he immediately decided to turn and make a U-turn. So since that happened, I mean, we went pretty much straight into the side of him, and his truck, it didn't seem like there was very much damage, but our car took quite a bit on the fender. Like I said, I showed a picture earlier. We'll pop it up again. So I need to we need to look into that more. We're still waiting on the insurance to see what goes on with it, but in the end I really would like to keep that car. But I'm also feel like I'm liking this audio setup. On the good note, been working on the drone shots. Ooh, you know what I could do? I could also show y'all a drone shot that I took the other day. This is a camera photo, so you know, y'all know that I go to LA Fitness. This is a drone shot photo. I feel like this thing could be an advertisement photo. I took this of LA Fitness. I'll pop it up right here. Boom! And this right here is the LA Fitness. I took this close to nighttime, and I personally am pretty proud of the photo. I've been working on the drone shots more. I even took it to work today to work on. Taking my camera with me everywhere, my drone with me, to try and work on my photography more. And I'm also doing the 365 challenge, telling me to work on my photography. I have the gear. It's just taking the time to actually put myself out there, try and make it like a side business, potentially even a good business. And I would love for that to be able to happen. And again, if y'all want to support it, if you want to check it out, don't forget y'all can go over to my Roberts Production Studio on Facebook or on Instagram. That's going to be my drone stuff, my 365 challenge. If you want to check out my family photography, pet photography, go to Roberts Camera Work on Instagram or on Facebook, and I will tag both those down. I can write them on the screen right here for y'all. But if you'd like to support it, go over there, give it a like, give it a follow, and I would really appreciate it. And hey, if you're in the same area as me, based on the company, y'all can always schedule a session, and we can work out prices and times and all that stuff. And that would also really help out as far as the growth of my work. And also YouTube, we got YouTube. Working on that. I really am wanting to focus and just go hardcore in these things. It's 2023. We already started off with the accident. This YouTubing and I'd say this, creating content, I really enjoy it, and I really want to focus on it a lot more. So that's going to be a big goal of mine in 2023, is my YouTube content, focusing on that, my photography, and just really trying to get that into a flow. I need to set up some goals for it. And then, so y'all know I do this on here where I do the kind of like moto vlogging, riding. I do the auto stuff, and like just basically like just working around the house or whatever, like auto stuff, racing, motorcycle, like it all goes on this channel. But since I really do want to focus on, you know, really getting out there for my YouTube and my photography and all that, I also really like gaming. So I have a gaming channel that I just started for YouTube. I haven't uploaded a video yet. That will be coming up soon. And one of the games I'm going to be focusing on is a PC game called Star Citizen, which I played a little bit of, and it is a freaking amazing game. So there's going to be a lot of focus going into that game and on that channel in the beginning, which, like I said, I am excited about. And that is, I believe, oh man, I already forgot the name. It's Rageline Roberts. Rageline Roberts, I believe. If I'm wrong, I will put the name across screen right here, and I will also link it down below so y'all can go check out the channel. And please like, subscribe, and give it, you know, just give it a little follow. I would appreciate it. It's just exciting, like really trying to get after this stuff here. I've always liked it, but just really trying to get after it, and you know, going after the dream of being able to do photography, videography, and getting into it. I've liked this stuff for forever. I just really need to put the time in to focus on it and really go for achieving it. You know, it's just something I really got to get after. But we are pulling into the neighborhood. I appreciate y'all being with me to, you know, adjust all this audio stuff, figuring it out. I might end up moving my camera, I mean not my camera, the mic, and try and get a better audio. I'm not 100% sure yet. And with all the drone work, I think I'm going to try and end up getting an intro video together with the drone work. That's something I'm working on. I did have it as a video, but I ended up not uploading it because I really want to work on it more. So y'all are going to end up seeing this first. But if you do like the channel and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel, and helps me get on with, you know, my dreams of really getting this thing going, and helps me with the content. Give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you get updates on the next videos and you can check those out. Y'all have a great evening, and I really appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a great night.